Hi everyone, my name is Nima and welcome to Accounting and Tax Helpdesk. I'm here with Hoss, my business partner and friend, and we are here to talk about tax and accounting and CFO services. I'm more specialized in tax, Hoss is specialized in CFO services, and we are here to talk about all the details that you need and you need the information. About myself, I have experience about 14 years in public accounting. I started my career with starting in the audit department, and how I got into accounting is actually through Hoss' brother, Ali, who is founder of this company. And I remember it was 2005. I came to US. I was working at the Robinson May at that time. Doesn't exist anymore. And then I didn't know what I was doing. So I called Ali. So I knew him through his uncle because his uncle is my father's friend. So long story. So I called Ali, say, what are you doing? I said, oh, I started studying accounting. I said, how's it going? I said, it's good. So at that time, I became accountant. So if Ali wasn't a lawyer, I would have been a lawyer. But now I'm an accountant. So I started my accounting journey and started my studying in the Cal State LA. Then after working about 10 years, 14 years in the public accountant, I said it's a time to start my own. So I joined actually, again, Ali, who founded this company about 3 years ago. Yeah, and then I started my career in accounting in 2009. I started with doing the audit, and then after working about 10, 14 years, I joined my friend's company, Ali, in 2021. And Hoss, who is Ali's brother, he joined our firm about a year ago, and he's specialized in CFO services. When I'm not crunching number or in tax code, I like to actually connect with my clients, talking about their life, how they're doing, and then I'm trying to save their taxes. I don't want them to pay the amount they're not supposed to pay. And Haas, on the other hand, is going to talk about CFO services. So what I'm trying to do today, I'm trying to explain about the different tax strategies, and especially in this session, I'm trying to explain what kind of business choices you have, what kind of entity you can create, or you better be employees or contractors, or what type of retirement accounts would be beneficial to you. We have a different subject every week, but these are the episodes that I'm planning to talk about, these episodes. After I'm done talking about my planning, I would like to introduce Haas, my business partner, who's talking about the CFO services.
Thank you, Nima. It's been a pleasure working with you for the last year. So I started the accounting 10 years ago, 2015, after switching from engineering. Just like you, I was working at the retail store called Ross back in the day. And then I was a student doing pizza delivery, nothing crazy. And then I saw you and Ali doing accounting, so I said, hey, why not? I just go follow your steps. So I started accounting. I went to Cal State LA, got my master's degree, got my CPA, all the fun parts, and I started doing the taxes for no reason. And after like 6 months, I hate taxes. I just said I cannot understand taxes. There's no logic. So I needed to do something else. So out of the blue, someone from a little company based in San Diego found me on LinkedIn and introduced to me the financial world and the CFO services accounting. So I joined that firm. I worked for that firm for, I don't know, 7, 8 years. And then after that, I decided to open up my own shop. And then while I was trying to open my own shop, I think you or Alice, one of you guys reached out to me like, hey, join us instead of opening your own firm. Let's merge and create a firm to offer everything to all the clients. So right now we offer bookkeeping services, we offer CFO services, we offer tax services, anything that we can do to help the clients. And basically one shop accounting firm. We are not doing audit though. Audit is just a...
No, nobody likes audit.
Nobody likes audit. So that's all we do. And I'm going to talk about the cash flow management, how you can optimize your finances, different type of metrics for accounting, how you can run your business, what metric you can focus on, what metric you can ignore on. So it's gonna be a fun journey for us talking about this accounting. Or no one likes accounting; it's boring, but we do.
One of the reason I said it's a good thing to start a podcast was the question I get from friends and family in each gathering. Parties, they keep asking, what is the secret of tax deduction? What do you know? And they will always have the same kind of questions. And I said, oh, it's good to have a podcast kind of explain things because there are a lot of things that I think it's everybody should know, but a lot of people don't know because they're not accountant and they have a better life. But so every week when you listen to this podcast, I'm trying to explain what tax strategy you can take, what are your options, what is going on, and how we can save taxes, and then what are the things that other people you always hear about it, but that should be might be wrong, might be wrong, right? So all of these things that we're gonna go over everything and details and then talk about each subject, not just on surface. We're gonna get into details. I'm not gonna send you some information that you can find anywhere and then you don't know if it's right or wrong. I will get into the details and make sure that you understand it in the plain, simple language because that's how my English is, plain and simple.
So the reason I start joining Nima in this podcast is same as you. I get lots of clients or people ask me question. My book is accurate. Why you don't have money? My book is accurate. Why I cannot do anything? So people don't understand that bookkeeping is different than CFO service and analyzing the financials. So in this podcast, I decide to join you and help people understand the different metric financial and basically dive into every single topics, general ledger, accounting, all the technical terms, and I'm trying to translate them to the plain English. So people, when they see the financial report, they can translate the numbers in the basic English, so they can understand run their businesses more smoothly and efficiently.
And thank you for stopping by in our podcast. Thank you for listening to us. Please share your comments. Please like us in our social media. Leave a message. If you have any questions, please send us a DM and then we will get back to you.
Thank you everyone for joining us. It means a word to us if you like, share, subscribe to our podcast, spread the word as Nima mentioned. We would like to answer all your questions in this podcast. Drop us a comments. You can reach out directly to us with the helpdesk at alamircpas.com, or you can comment in the below, send us a DM in our social media. We'll get back to you in this podcast with your question answer.